고추장찌개와 잡곡밥, 김치. I have 2, 4, 6, 8 small-sized potatoes. Okay, going to dice them up. Into this size. Zucchini. We'll cut it just like the size of potatoes. Some green onions. Five centimeters or so. Onions. Okay, just gonna quickly rinse this. Yeah, like that. About a handful. So these are the vegetables that will be going into our stew. Anchovies. There are about 20 to 25 in here. I'm going to quickly toast them up so that you can get rid of that bitterness. I'm gonna put this one on the side here. I would say this is about 500 grams of pork belly, thinly sliced. Soy sauce. It's time to add the vegetables. You want to add the hard vegetables first, which is potatoes and carrots. Fry that up a little bit. The white parts of the green onions. Add the zucchini. Onions. Korean pepper powder. One, two, and three. Just give it a toss a little. That's 1.7 liters of water. Toasted anchovies. Gochujang. I'd say 1/3 of a cup. A teaspoon of sugar. Add some cooking wine. tablespoon would be fine. And you want to reduce your heat to medium. And we will cook this until the vegetables are soft. Two tablespoons of minced garlic. And the green onions. Sesame seed oil. Black pepper. As desired. All right, that's it.